Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. Today I am going to bring back that Pinsoon Sous Vide cooker. So I'd like to thank them for sponsoring today's video. I just really wanted to show you guys how versatile this cooker is. I think it's so cool. So today I'm going to make a side dish with it. So what I have today for you is some Asian salmon with green beans and then Vietnamese corn. So let's get cooking. For our salmon marinade, we are going to use a 1/4 cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce. I picked the low sodium, and then about a half of a green onion cut up. Of course, we have our 2 pounds of salmon, and then we have our green beans that I went ahead and washed and snapped in half. For our Vietnamese corn, we're going to use 3 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce, 3 minced garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of butter, and a half of a green onion cut up. First things first, we need to get our sous vide cooker warmed up. So we were gonna put it at 185 degrees. You're gonna cook your corn for 20 minutes. So it's super easy. Then if you want to, you can either put it on the grill, put it in the broiler, or use a torch. So if your husband likes to use a torch, then there you go. So it doesn't take very long for this to warm up. We're already at 85 degrees. We're gonna get it to 185. And then let me get the oven preheated for our salmon foil packs. I don't have the food saver bags, but the Ziplocs work just as good. The water doesn't get hot enough to where it affects that. I know that was a question before. And so we will put all of our ingredients in this bag and get it in our sous vide cooker as soon as it's warmed up. So the sous vide cooker is still cooking, but it's actually done because I put it, I set it for 20 hours, not 20 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Always unplug for safety, guys. I don't know, it just seems like electrical water seems like a safe thing for me. So just take your corn right out of the bag, put it on a baking sheet, and then you're gonna put it in the oven and broil it to get that charred look like it was on the grill. So just cut off the tip of your bag, and then that way you can get all that goodness out of there onto your corn before you put it under the broiler.
Can I please use the torch?
You can use the torch.
Okay.
I'm not getting the char that I'm looking for under the broiler, so Asa wants to use his blowtorch. So that's gonna be a thing.
Yes.
I can't believe you're doing this.
You want to do one?
Yeah.
Do one.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Thanks for joining us on Triple P today. Okay. Well, I hope you guys had fun. I am loving this Pinsoon sous vide cooker. And just so you know, like you can do so many things in it. Meat, fish, vegetables, like there are a lot of different options. So make sure you check out the link in the description below and you will get a coupon code to go and order yours from Amazon. So thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you next time. Have a good day. And then we will just take our corn. Oh, it's really hot. Holy crap. That's really hot. So the meat tenderizer was to help the corn from not floating because it floats. So I had to push it down, and it's super hot, guys. Like I don't know what I was thinking, but it's hot.